What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at you with another video here. As promised, I'm going to try to go ahead and get this daytime demo of the truck. Like I said, I had some other songs that I wanted to play to show the range of how low the car can really, or I guess the truck can really play. My box is tuned into the dirt at 28 hertz. So I'm not going to say it's musical, but it's hella loud. So same deal. I'm trying to be as secluded as possible, even though I just seen a truck drive by and there's a truck over there. So I'm gonna try to do my best to get this in without getting shut down, and I'll try to do a couple of songs, and I'll do my best to make sure that we make it through this video. If not, I'll try to find another place where I can go and get this done, because you know, it's not the loudest, but it's pretty damn loud. It is a ground pounder. Will shake some stuff up. Now, y'all can see I have my DS18 still in the doors. My dumb ass was trying to tune the amp in the subs the other night, which was perfectly fine, and I got sidetracked by somebody coming to get me, and I messed around the house and heard that 1000 hertz tone coming through those speakers. So you would have swore the cops was coming down the street based on the way it was sounding. But yeah, speakers went up in flames. So I do got some new ones on the way. I don't know, a lot of you, like I say in other videos, a lot of y'all are friends with me on Facebook. I do plan on switching to PRV. Unfortunately, the PRV speakers that I want are not in stock, so I got some scars on the way to hold me over. I was thinking about doing the recones on the DS18s as well, but you know, for right now, we'll just go ahead and run scar and see what happens with that. Worst case scenario, I'll sell them and just recone these DS18s and hold on to them until PRV gets their stock back in. So here we go with another car driving by. So like I said, man, I'm going to go ahead and do this video, see what happens. I want to do a couple of songs. I got another car coming by. Like, what in the hell is going on? I'm like literally back off. If y'all been on the channel for a while, man, this is the same location I came to last year where I did the Malibu, and there's nothing back here, so I have no idea where the hell these cars are going, man. So let me just hit this play button. I should have my volume up. Yep, volume on 27. Like I said, I clip at 28. I'm just going to do it at 27 and get going here. We'll take the bass knob up to, let's get that going. We'll get the bass knob going on, you'll see that voltage is at 13.7. That's the underground power. We'll get it playing and just see what we can do. I'll probably turn the bass knob up to 9, man, but let's get some flex. Matter of fact, let me prop myself up for success. I'm gonna open my door, get these things playing, man. We'll go from here. Probably getting a text message right now, like always. Try another song here. Like I said, man, I'm gonna try to do a nice little range of songs and get it going and see what she performs like. I haven't necessarily been out the truck when I've been playing bass, man, so I don't know what's going on with it. See, this should be that Slim Thug. Gotta love H-Town, man. Y'all know how I do. Y'all can probably see it in the hat in Houston. I don't know if it's coming up on the windows or not. Damn, mosquitoes eating me up out here. I'll wait for that bass to drop and then I'm gonna switch it to another song. I'm gonna try this Jeezy, another Jeezy, and who is Yo Gotti on this one, and then I'm gonna hit a low note and I'm gonna get the hell out of Dodge, man. I got another truck over there, y'all can probably see it. It's a little loud, man. All right, let me get a low and then I'm getting the hell out of Dodge, man. Let's see. Where's that? Here we go. Katy Perry, Dark Horse, man. I'm gonna do this, then I'm getting the hell out of here, man. Probably only do a little bit of this. I don't know if this song is clean or not, man, but I'm pretty sure my sub's good to go. They can handle it. Brazilian Sounds Platinum 18s, man. These things are monsters. I might do like 30 seconds, maybe, I don't know. Or less. All right, that's it. I'm gonna cut it off, man. I got traffic coming.